Years ago, I was in a burlesque troupe, and on this one occasion, I had parked in Venice Beach and was headed to Townhouse where I was going to perform, and I spotted this guy painting a mural, and it was amazing. And I started talking to him, like I tend to do with strangers, and his name was Daniel Silvis. And we stayed in touch. I ended up modeling for him with some dance poses for some paintings that he did, and then more recently, I had him paint these boots. He custom paints shoes, boots, roller skates. I have a pair of those too that he painted, and all kinds of things, apparel. And so I had a really good time kind of creating like a co-vision of these boots and what would be on them. And I am going to use them for the first time today on the Appalachian Trail. From Christmas tree farms in North Carolina that have supplied more Christmas trees to the White House than any other state, to Virginia, we have now landed at Grayson Highlands, where we'll be hiking the famous Appalachian Trail and on a treasure hunt to find something very, very special. The Appalachian Trail is 2,190 miles long. That's a lot. It goes through 14 states and 8 different national forests. I actually have a friend who did the entire thing. Now, I should mention that this day was not my first rodeo at Grayson Highlands. I'd actually been there several times before, and so I knew that with just about a 1-mile hike, I was highly likely to find something very special. And I was not disappointed.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers.
Thank you so much for being a part of this channel's community. You make it all possible when you click on that membership button to become a member, and when you like and you share this episode with others, when you click on the thanks button, and also when you write your wonderful comments. I just so enjoy reading them. I'm glad you're here, and I will see you very soon.
What's your type? Somehow I want